This lesson focuses on efficiency. We're using frame mask to reduce repetitive steps and speed up layout design. Start by planning your layout visually. Decide where images will sit before placing them. Use the Frame tool to create all image placeholders at once. This eliminates repeated resizing and masking later. Once frames are ready, drag images directly into them. Photoshop handles fitting automatically, which saves significant time. Need to adjust composition? Double-click inside the frame and reposition the image. No re-importing, no manual cropping. When working with multiple versions or client feedback, simply replace images. The layouts